Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to share how to get coffin dance meme filter on Instagram. So firstly open your Instagram account. Now go to the story section. Now swipe right up to the end. Now tap on search. Now again tap on the search bar. Now search for coffin dance. Now select. Now from the bottom left option you can try it, or from the bottom right third option you can save, and from the second option you can share the filter. Okay, so this is how you can get coffin dance meme filter on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video.